Hi, my name is Ahmad Najib bin Suhaimi from Group 21. So, I will explain about the flowchart for our project. For the initialize, the door off, display off, and LED off. Okay, firstly, the person who want to enter the door, they must scan the temperature first. So when the temperature higher than 37, so the LED will be show the red LED. So they must to scan again until get the temperature lower the 37. Okay, when the temperature lower than 37, the person and detect. When the person do not detect, he must to go the first step again and do same thing again. So the person detect, they must to scan the ID and store the value. So when the ID do not valid, so they must to go the first step and scan and uh, go to same process. And when the ID valid, so the increment counter will be increased and the store value the ID will store in the memory. So LED will be green. So the door will be open. Okay. So the same process to the next person until the counter detect for the 30% and the process will be end. So when the person detect at exit, so the decrement counter will be decreased until to 0 and the process will be end. And when the person detect at exit not to be 0, it uh, must to count again until to get the 0 and the process will be end. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, I'm Mahmoud. I'll explain the schematic of our project. We are using here Protus 8 Professional in simulation. So here we have a motor controller that control the motor's door. And we have here enter IR sensor and exit IR sensor to detect the people who enter or came out. Here we have a keypad to enter the ID user's ID. We have two 7 segment to display the numbers of people inside with two decoders. We have temperature sensor to scan the temperature and two LED, one green and one red for error. We have door motor and LCD to display the instructions, and the controller here 80 mega 32.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. So now let's see the simulation. I have already loaded the hex file in our atmega32. So let's run the program. Welcome to smart attendance. Smart attendance, press T for temperature scan. So in the keypad I have added a T, so T. So in we need to push the entry IR button. Now it will ask for ID 4 1 9 6. As you can see, the green LED light up and the motor work. That means the door is opened, and the green LED is the indicator that uh, he is free to enter. What happens if we increase the temperature to 38? We already know that our minimum temperature for entry is 37 degrees. So for 38, we press T, and we can see possibly infected. That means the person cannot enter now.
A few moments later.
Now you can see that I have fast forwarded the video, the simulation a bit, and now we can see that there are 5 persons in the room, and for only this part of for only this simulation, we have coded the program so that only 5% can enter the room. So as we can see, the room is full already, so we can try for another person, and let's see what happens. We press T, then we press the entry IR, then we input ID 2 6 5 1, and we can see entry is full and the red LED light up, and the motor didn't work. That means no more person can enter the room. Only if someone exits, then someone can enter. That means when someone going out and presses the exit IR, we can see the counter decremented. So we can understand that the room can only have 5% at a time.